Hello everyone, and welcome back to the CEO Nutrition Education channel. Today's video is kicking off our new lesson, Family Time Active and Fun. Throughout this video, I will be giving you all an overview of what to expect throughout the lesson. I will also be discussing the objectives we hope to accomplish in teaching this lesson, and the key messages we hope you will all be able to take away from this lesson after it has ended. This lesson is intended to help busy parents, caregivers, and families be more physically active. Throughout the lesson, we will discuss why being physically active is important, and the challenges to being active that can arise every day. Together, we will work to brainstorm solutions to becoming more physically active every day. In the description of this video, there is a link to the handout Be Active Today that we will be using and discussing throughout the lesson. Feel free to pause this video now to download a copy of the handout. After this lesson, we hope that everyone will be able to identify 2 ways to get at least 2.5 hours of moderate intensity physical activity per week, and identify at least 2 ways to help any kids in your life be physically active every day. Some key messages we hope you're able to take away from this lesson are: regular physical activity is a key factor in helping adults and children to maintain a healthy lifestyle. And parents play an important role in helping children make physical activity an everyday habit. Keep an eye out for more lesson content every day for the next few weeks as our educators discuss ways that you can make physical activity and healthy eating a part of your daily routine. Thank you for watching our lesson overview. If you have any additional questions, comments, or concerns about our video today, please feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to one of our nutrition educators directly.
Hi everyone, welcome to MyPlate for Family, Active and Fun. I'm Maya, a nutrition educator with the Commission on Economic Opportunity and the Weinberg Food Bank. Today, we will be discussing ways to be physically active and how to include your children. If you haven't already had the chance to, please download the Be Active Today handout for more tricks and tips. What are your favorite ways to stay physically active? Please take some time to think about how you incorporate physical activity into your everyday life. If you don't currently take any measures to include physical activity, I want you to think about what you think you'd enjoy. Did you know physical activity can be fun for the entire family? In the next slide, I will discuss some of the physical activities my children and I like to participate in. Physical activity can be done regardless of the weather. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, there are still ways to stay fit. Daily physical activity can help you feel better. Exercises release hormones called endorphins, which can brighten your mood. Healthier habits can be set at a young age. Having your children partake in physical activity at a young age can help them enjoy exercise throughout their life. Physical activity is a great way to bond with your entire family. Physical activity is also completely free.
As I mentioned before, I love to include my children in my daily physical activity. Here's a list of what we like to do. We like to walk, hike, and jog. At home, we'll have a dance party. All I do is turn the TV on and turn up the music. We enjoy jumping rope, hula hooping, playing at our local park. We have been trying some new sports. The children tried tennis this summer. I like to take them swimming at a local community center. And then finally, we like to throw frisbee.
Those are just some ideas on how to include your children in your everyday physical activity. Thank you for taking the time and joining in on our video today. Be sure to stay tuned for the next video. You will learn how to plan physical activity into your everyday and how you can include your children.
Hello everyone, welcome to My Plate for My Family Session 1. My name is Adriana Vasquez and I am a nutrition educator at CEO. Today we will be talking about the many ways you can stay active and be healthy. Today we will be talking about how to plan easy and affordable ways to be physically active each day and how to include children in all the fun. Now we are going to do a small activity to get you moving, so please follow along. Please cross your arms in front of your chest if you mostly sit during the day, at work, at home, or somewhere else. Please shake your hands if you think you move enough during the day. Now wave your hands if your day is full of a lot of physical activity or exercise. Clap your hands if you think moving more than you do now would be good for you. Now give yourselves a round of applause for being on the move. Please make sure to comment your responses down below in the comments section. Now it's time for a dance break. Please pick your favorite song, pause this video, and dance to it as hard as you can. If you feel out of breath, please stop and just sing along. As you're dancing, please think about the following questions. Did it feel good to move around? Could you still talk while you were moving? Could you sing with the music? Please Please comment your responses down below in the comment section. Also, one thing to remember, being physically active does not mean you have to participate in sports or go to the gym. Any kind of moving around is good, including walking or dancing to the music like we are doing now. Some of the benefits of physical activity is that it helps you maintain a healthy body weight and reduce the risk of diseases like high blood pressure. It also helps you feel better, sleep better, and build confidence in yourself. Some of the recommendations are as follows. Adults need at least 2.5 hours of exercise on most days of the week. Children need at least 60 minutes every day, which should include muscle and bone strengthening activities like climbing and jumping at least 3 days a week. And young children, the ages of 2 to 5 years old, need to be active throughout the day. You can encourage your child to do activities that will help them grow, like playing tag outside, going on a bike ride together, walking, and or dancing. Thank you for your participation. Please comment down below on any of the questions presented in the video, how you felt, and possibly why being physically active may be difficult for you.
Hi everyone, my name's Carly and welcome to today's food demonstration. Today we will be preparing chicken and penne pasta. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need whole wheat penne pasta, garlic powder, fresh or frozen broccoli, cooked chicken, low-fat milk or half and half, flour, low-sodium chicken broth, salt and pepper, and shredded cheddar cheese. Today's recipe will prepare 2 servings. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and coat a pan with cooking spray. Bring 2 quarts of water to a boil and add the pasta. Stir the pasta and cook for approximately 8 minutes. 2 minutes before the pasta is finished, add the broccoli and boil. Next, drain the pasta and the broccoli. Add the pasta and broccoli to the pan. Then add the chicken and mix. Then add the garlic. Next, add half of the milk or half and half to a small bowl. Add the flour and whisk until all lumps are gone. Add the chicken broth, salt, pepper, and remaining milk to a skillet and mix. Add the milk and flour mixture. Stir and bring to a boil. Turn down to low for 5 minutes and stir frequently. Next, add the cheese and stir until melted. Add the cheese sauce to the pan and mix. Lastly, cover with foil and bake for 8 minutes. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.
easy and fun ways to be more physically active and to eat healthy can be implemented into your daily life to create healthy habits. Remember that adults need 2.5 hours during the week of physical activity, kids need at least 60 minutes per day, and children aged 2 to 5 should play actively throughout the day. Look at the Be Active Today handout and find ways you think you can be active throughout the day. Pick 2 and circle or highlight what you think you can participate in. There are many more ways that you can be active and are not limited to the ones listed. Can you think of any other ways you could be physically active during the day? Some more tips for being physically active are starting slow. Start with 10 minutes a day and slowly increase more time and intensity as you become more comfortable. Walking works. Find areas that you enjoy or are comfortable with. These could be places like your neighborhood, local parks, or the mall. Look for activities in your community. Try to find free activities such as exercise programs or fitness classes for you and your kids, or clubs that encourage physical activity. Move throughout the day. Instead of using an elevator, take the stairs. Walk your dog, or park farther from the store. Do push-ups or sit-ups while listening to your favorite music or during commercials while watching TV. Build stronger muscles. Yoga and weightlifting are easy ways to build muscle. You could even do bodyweight exercises, and you don't have to use weights. Try participating in this at least 2 times per week. Be active at any age. You can play with your toddler in the yard or park, or walk your grandparent to the bus. Play sports with other adults in your neighborhood or community, or with your kids. After watching this video, did you find any ways that you could become more active throughout the day, or did you think of any different ways that would allow you to be active? Let us know in the comments!